Hey, what's up? Phil here with Video School, and today we have another brush pack. This is an oil and acrylic style brush pack. This is going to be super beneficial, super versatile for all kinds of artwork. You can change the brush sizes, and just huge shout out to the artist who created these brushes for our courses, Celine. She's an amazing artist, and I've linked to her in the description of this video. Go give her a follow. And if you're in our Photoshop course, you get these brushes completely free. So head over to the Photoshop course, no matter what platform you're on, it's going to be free. You can see all kinds of different styles here as I'm just doodling around with these brushes so you can get an example of what they look like. Now, if you're not a part of our courses, that's not a problem because whenever we launch these brush packs, we actually give out our course completely free to the first 1,000 students. So check the description of this video on YouTube and you'll find a free access course good for the first few days. So don't delay. And then once you enroll, you can get these brushes completely free. They're sort of down below in one of the later sections of the course. You'll find it just by looking for the Photoshop brushes section. But yeah, thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed these brush packs so far. Hope you can see sort of the versatile nature of all these different brushes. And if you're creating artwork yourself with these brushes and you want to share it with us, tag us on Instagram. Post it, tag us on Instagram. We love sharing artwork from our students. Try to help you grow your audience as well. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you take 30 seconds right now to leave a rating or a review for the course. That helps us know if you're enjoying the course or not, what you like about the course, and just helps inspire us to make more artwork, more great freebies and things to make your, graphic design and creativity easier. So this is the Photoshop Oil and Acrylic Brush Pack. Enjoy, much love, and see you next time. Cheers.